Namhla's pega igango. So this is a mixture of meats. So I had pork, sausage, and some beef chop. So I started off by frying my pork, and when it was nice and brown to my liking, I removed my pork and I added my sausage and my beef, and then I started frying that up until they were nice and brown. Then I added the pork back in the mixture again to sort of brown that all together, and then I added some onions and some spices. I think I had all the seasoning, some paprika, a little bit of the mild curry Raja spice. Then I added I diced some tomatoes, 3 tomatoes I used, and let them cook down a bit. Then I cut my veg. Of course, if you're not cutting veg, you're thinking, what are you doing? So I added my veg to the mixture and then just let it all simmer together and come to a good mix and serve it with salsa.